Hi, this is the second lecture regarding books of prime entry. In this video, we will cover the purchase daybook and purchase return daybook. This book is for daily credit purchase of goods recording. Credit purchases other than goods will not be recorded here. Monthly total of purchase daybook is then after posted in general ledger in purchase account, and creditors are individually posted in their relevant accounts in general ledger, so each creditor balance can be maintained. The format of this book is the same as of sales and sales return daybook. You can see the format, it's the same format. Point to be noted here that purchase daybook amount original place is debit. Now we come to record a couple of transactions in purchase daybook. The procedure is the same as per previous book. Let's see the transaction example. Purchase goods on credit from AAA for $5,500 on April 1, 2021. So here is the purchase daybook. You can see we record the date, creditor's name in particular, and the amount of credit purchase. Let's go to example number 2. Purchased goods on credit from ZZZ for $3,000 subject to 15% trade discount on April 8, 2021. As this transaction has a trade discount, so we will calculate the net amount in purchase daybook as well as creditor's account later on while posting. So we can see here the recording is the same as per previous. And now we will calculate the trade discount. We will reduce the trade discount from the amount, and the net amount, which is 2,550, will be recorded here. Now this is the total, assuming that this is the total of purchase daybook for the month of April. Now we are going to post the purchase daybook into ledger account. This is the posting to general ledger T account, where we will open the purchase account and the creditors account. In purchase account, we will put the total of purchase daybook for the month of April, which was $8,050, and there were two creditors only, AAA with 5,500 and Triple Z, which was 2,550. The total of credit side is the same as of debit side. You can see 8,050 we debited in purchase account, and the credit of both 5,500 and 2,550 is equal to 8,050. Now we start the next one. Now here a point to be noted that purchases original place is debit. And now we start with purchase return daybook or purchase return journal. This book is for recording credit purchase return of goods. We have already gone through the previous videos regarding 3 books of prime entry. This is the 4th one. All these 4 books have same format. The recording and procedure of posting is also the same. We should note that purchase return original place is credit, which is opposite of purchase account. Creditor's original place is credit, but when goods returned by creditors, their account will be debited as the liability is decreased. Let's see the format first. The format is the same as of previous three books. A couple of transactions now will be shown underneath. Purchase a return from AAA for $1,500 on April 2, 2021. Same as previous, the transaction being recorded. If you can see here, we'll record the transaction as per previous books. The example number 2, return goods to ZZZ on gross value of $1,000 on April 9, 2021. Here we should recall the purchase from ZZZ with a trade discount on 15%. Now in case of return, same discount to be considered and net amount to be recorded. So let's see now how we'll treat this one. This is the first entry, and now this is the second, that we return the goods to ZZZ with a discount of 15%. So 15% discount should be reduced and the net amount will be $850. Assuming that there are only 2 entries in the month of April, so the purchase return day book total is 2,350. Now let's go to post the transactions in GL account, which is general ledger, and CT account. So we'll open the account, purchase return account, and then the creditors account. The purchase return, the total of purchase return day book was 2,350. So it will be credited in purchase return account. And if you see the AAA account, the return goods are debited to decrease the liability of 1,500, and the balance of each account will come. Now ZZZ, the return amount was 850, original purchase was 2,550, and now his balance is 1,700. The AAA balance is 4,000. Now if you look at the entries, the account have been opened once for all the creditors, and all the transactions will be entered in the same account to have the balance at the end of the period. So this is the procedure, and thank you, and see you in the next video.